Hello guys, Devjyoti here from website2.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how to design a single product page by using Bootstrap4. This is almost looks similar like in popular website in India like Amazon, like Flipkart, like that. Okay, here you can see the navbar. After that it's the timeline of the product, means home, in between the shop, in the shop the woman category, and in between that women's dresses. Okay, that is the product name, and that is the rate of the product. There's some discounted rate, actually it is 30% off is there, and here you can see the star ratings, and here is some offers. Okay, this 4 offers is going on, and this is the product slider. Okay, and it is the delivery estimation timing, and the delivery charges is free. Here you can see the sizes and a drop down. From there, from the drop down you can choose different sizes, and here is the color. From here you can select different colors, and the seller name and similar category product is displaying here. And here you can see some 3D effect like thing. Okay, here actually I use the box shadow. Here you can see these 4 cards actually. This is the card image, card title, card text, and to bottom is there the buy now and add to cart. Here is the ratings and reviews. Here you can see that it's total 4 review is there, 1 2 3 4, and the last session is the post your reviews. Okay, so here is the email ID, and here is the about product, your what you want to think about the product, and here is the checkbox, and after that the submit button. It is very simple code, and for your practice purpose I give all the images, I give all the codes in the video description. I'll update everything in my Google Drive, and from there I'll share the link for that. From there you can download it and practice it. Okay, so let's start coding now. So here I open my code editor, Dreamweaver, and first of all I have to make the site. So create the site and new site. After that give the name of the site like product page, and I have to choose the file for that, and this is the file, the product page, select folder. Okay, now save it. All the images I already taken in this file before. Okay, so for then I have to create the index file. So new file, name that index.html, and I need another style sheet. So new file, and keep the name as style.css. So style style.css. Okay, so it's done here. So let's first of all open that index.html. Okay, so now this is the by default HTML5 document. So now come to Google and open that Bootstrap4 official website. Here if you scroll down you can see that is called starter template. Just copy it, come to Dreamweaver and just paste it. Okay, so now come back to the Bootstrap4 official website and search for the navbar. Okay, this one I need, this one, just copy it, and here just remove this one and take a container. So div and class will be container. Close it. Now in between this just paste the navbar code. Okay, so check it how it's look like now. Yeah, of course you have to save it. Okay, this navbar is came, but if you see the original website, here there is a extra bottom called cart, and that also that you can see some icon is there. It's called that font awesome icon. To use this font awesome icon I have to add that font awesome CSS. This is the website. From there you have to download that that's bootstrap cnd for the font awesome cnd. Okay, so just copy it, and after that bootstrap.min.css you have to link up that. For link up, do this and paste that. Okay, now if you save, you can see that font awesome win.css is added. Okay, so now after this form, you have to take a UL. So take the UL and the class will be navbar nav and mr auto. Okay, close the UL and after that take the li and that class will be nav item. Okay, and now close it, take a anchor tag and class will be button. After that button md, because I want this medium size button and I want the red color button, so button danger. And I want some margin left, so margin left and volume value 4 and text I want should be in white color, so text light. Okay, let's close it and in between that write that cut, save it and check how it's look like. Okay, now I have to search for the card icon. So for that, just Google that font awesome icons, click in the first link and here just type that cut. Okay, so many icon is there, just click this and take this code, copy it and before that cut just paste it. Okay, now save it and check it. See, that cat icon is visible now. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to take a container because now I have to design this session, this home shop, this session. Okay, this timeline. So after finishing this, so let's give some pace. So div class will be container and I want some margin top of 5. Okay, close it, in between take a row, so row div class equal to row, in between this row, so div class will be call md12. Okay, so in between I have to write that home, after that I need that greater than arrow, so for that ampersand gt, after that shop again ampersand gt, after that woman again ampersand gt and again woman's dress. Let's save it and check how it's look like now. See, this come now. Okay, so after that, take another container, sorry, I want in small letter, so div class equal to container, and we can take a row, class will be row, and div. Now you can see my original website. Here I am taking a full row and divided by 2, means call MD6 and call MD6. This portion is called MD6 and this portion is called MD6. Okay, so again take a class of call MD6, so in between I have to take that carousel. So for the carousel, come to the Bootstrap website, type the carousel. Okay, there will be so many carousel. This is the first one, this is the second one with arrow. I need this one, just copy it and paste it. Okay, by default there is total 3 slider is there. I doesn't need 3, so keep them 2 and add the images. So this is the image and this is the another one. Save it, check. See, slider is working perfectly. Okay, after that what I have to do, let's come back to here, and after this column d6 I have to take another column d6. So my column d6 ended here, so after that I have to take another column d6. So div class will be call md6, close it. Here I have to take a row, so in this row take a h2 tag, give the product name. Okay, let's save it and check the product name is come. Okay, so now I have to take this one, in this rupees 599, and after that the 799 and cross it, and after that in green color 30% off. Okay, so for that I have to take another row, and in between I have to take a h1 tag, and I want this rupees icon, so again I have to search for symbol, just type INR, this is the one. Okay, actually whatever the icon you want you can give, don't follow blindly to me. Okay, whatever the icon you want you can give it. So this is the rupee icon, and after that 599. Okay, and let's give some space after that 599. So for that ampersand NBSP, again I have to take a h3, so you have to give the space here. Yeah, in h3 take the del tag and close it, and give the original rate like $7.99. Okay, so after that take a h2 tag and class will be text success. Text success means whatever you wrote, it will be appear in green color. Okay, close that and wrote like some 30% off. Save it and check how it's look like now. This is my website. Here actually I do a small mistake. Actually I have to take in between this column D6. Okay, so just cut it, and in between this column D6, after this div I have to paste it. Okay, so let's save it and check how it's look like now. Okay, it's perfect. Here I want some gap. Okay, means after this the del tag I want some gap. So for that, here wrote that ampersand NBSP, again another tag ampersand NBSP. Save it. I think it's perfect now. So now what I have to design, I have to design this star ratings. Okay, so for that just come here and search for the star icon. Here you can see the full star, empty star and half star, so many is there. So I need all of them actually. Okay, because here you can see all three is that full star, one half star and one empty star is there. Okay, so let's come back here. So here I have to take another row after this div, this div. Here take another row, so div class will be row and close it. After that here I have to take a h2 or h3 also will be okay, h3, and class will be text warning. So text warning means it will appear in yellow color. Text warning. Okay, and now close it. So let's take for the code for the full star, copy it, paste it 3 times. Okay, after that take the code for the half star, paste it 1 time, and after that take the empty star one and paste it. After that take a h5 tag and wrote in between that 1200 star rating and 250 reviews. So let's save it and check. Yeah, it's perfect. Just give a small space here and before that 1200. Okay, so here, so ampersand NBSP. Okay, now save it. It should look perfect now. Okay, so give some smooth space. Save it. Now what I have to do, I have to design this offers. Okay, so for that you have to take another row after this row, let's take here. So div and class will be row, close it. After that, take that p, close it. Now here you can see I have to take this tick icon, and I want this in this tick icon should be in green color. Okay, so let's search for the check icon. Okay, this one, take this one, paste it, but I want this should be in green color. So text success, save it, check it now. See, this green color will appear here. Okay, so after that, wrote something random text after finishing of this I tag. Okay, similarly just copy it and paste it more couple of time and check some text here. Whatever the text you want, you can write. Okay, here I use another I tag for the Google Wallet. Okay, the code is this FA and FA Google Wallet. Okay, so save it now and check how it's look like now. Okay, it's perfect. Now what I have to do, I need this delivery icon and deliver by 23rd July Tuesday, and again this text success. Okay, because this is in green color. So come back here, I have to take another row. After this, class will be row, and I want some margin top as well, so give some margin top of 4. Okay, now close it. Here take the h3 and class will be text info, because I want that map icon should be in blue color. Info. Okay, close it. Now search for that GPS icon, so search for location, this map maker. Okay, just copy it and paste it in between this h3. Okay, so now after h3, take a paragraph tag or p tag, and the style, that font size should be, sorry, p tag and style, that font size will be 20 pixel. Close it, give some gap. Okay, and write the delivery by 23rd. Okay, after that, this icon or dash and take some gap and take a span, and the class will be text success. close the span and wrote like that, free, mean delivery charges will be free. Okay, so save it and check. Okay, it's perfect now. Now I have to design this, means size, and after that this drop down. Okay, so let's come back to the code editor. So take another div, class will be row and margin top of 5, or you can take 4 also. So in between take a h4 and close it, put size, okay, colon. After that I have to take a drop down. So for the drop down you can do directly search from here, just drop downs. Okay, there will be so many type of drop downs, whatever you want you can take this. I want this type of drop down, so just copy this and paste it. Okay, so this format. Now save it. You can see this drop down should appear. Okay, but I need some gap here after the size. So what to do, after this size give some space, ampersand NBSP, take another one, ampersand NBSP. Now change the text, like drop down link, like select size, sizes. Okay, take something like small, medium, large, whatever you want you can take. Sorry, large. Save it now and check. Select sizes, small, medium and large. Okay, so now I have to do the same thing for the color. So give some gap. So div class will be row, take a h4 colors, okay, and colon, give some gap as well. So ampersand NBSP and again ampersand NBSP. Okay, now anchor tag class will be button, after that button warning, sorry, first of all take that blue one, so button primary, primary, and text should be white color, so text should be light. Close it, write sky blue, save it, check it's coming perfectly or not. See, it's coming perfectly, but I need some gap in between the sizes and color, so give some margin top. Okay, so come here in this row, give some margin top of 4. Save it now. Okay, it's perfect now. Let's give that C capital letter. Okay, so similarly do the same thing for the another bottom or color. Give some space, save it. So it's working perfectly. Now I have to write the seller, this seller. Okay, so come back here. After this div, class will be row, and take a h4 tag, seller, give some gap. After that, take a paragraph tag with font size of 18 and give the seller name. Save it and check. Here also I need some top margin actually, so margin top of 4. Now save it. Okay, it's almost perfect. So now I have to design this one. Okay, for that, after that you have to take another container, if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section, and all the code will be given in the video description. From there you can download and practice it. So take another div here, sorry, stop that caps lock. So div and class will be row, and close it. Here let's take some margin top, so margin top 5 I am taking, and in between that take a h2 and similar products, okay. So let's come out after the div, give some space. Now take a div of class will be a row, and margin top here also I'm taking like 5. Okay, let's close it. Now in a single row I want total 4 card, so what I have to take, so div class will be call md 3, so 3 into 4 will be 12. So call md 3 and close it. So div class will be card, close it. Now let's take the image for the card, so image class will be img card img top. that is the bootstrap predefined class. Now I want that image should be responsive, so image fluid, it's also a predefined class, fluid. Okay, and after that, source of the image, so let's start seeing source of the image will be C61. I'm taking this image. Let's close it. After that, take div and this class will be card title. So take on h4 tag and give the product name like gym tops, so whatever, the some random name you can give. Okay, let's make the T capital, it should look good. So after this card title, card text will be there, so div class will be card text. So close, give some random text. After that, take a break tag, don't take single, take double break tag, br slash, again br slash. Now take the anchor tag for the card button. Here you can see in my original website these two buttons. Okay, so here there is some gap is there, so for that I take the break tag. Okay, till now it's look like that. Okay, so a class will be button, and after that will be button success, a double success, and after that text should be light, text should be in white color, so text light, and let's close it and wrote that buy now. Buy now, give some gap, take the another anchor tag, and the class will be same like button, and here will be button danger, so the red button will be appear, so button danger. After that, text light, okay. So here I want to add this icon, this cart icon. Okay, so for that I have to take that code, that is that code for the cart icon. After that, write that add to cart, make this 2 capital T. Okay, save it now, and after this again wrote some beer tag. Okay, let's save it and check how it's look like now. Okay, now the copy the same thing, means this call md3 and paste it more 3 times. Okay, now change that images. $94, $132, and $172. This one. Save it and check how it's look like now. Okay, it's perfect. And later I will design some custom CSS to look it appropriately like that. Okay. Uh, okay. Till now that's it. After that, what I have to do? This rating and review. So now let's take another container and in between another div class row. Take the h2 tag and write the rating and reviews. Save it. Check now how it's look like. So rating and reviews. I want some top margin and bottom margin. So just come here in this container, that margin top of 5 and margin bottom. So margin bottom of 5. Okay, save it. After this row, let's come out from this div row, and after that take another row and margin bottom I am giving that margin MB, means margin bottom 5 I am giving. Okay, here I have to take that Bootstrap media object. So for that you have to just come down the Bootstrap4 official website and type here media object. Okay, I need exactly this one, so just copy this one. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, this. Now here I have to add the image first of all. So take this one. Check how it's look like now. This, it's coming but not that great actually, to be frank. So let's come back here. Let's give me margin top also here. I think the space should be good enough now. Yeah, it's perfect now. Here you can see this media heading up. I mean this before this heading, in if you see this original one, after that there's some star icon is there. So for that I have to take that front awesome icon of that. Okay, so for that I already tell you before that how to take this icon. Okay, so in this, after here you can see some media heading is there. Change that media heading, and after that take a span and close it, and class will be text warning, because that's all this YOLO start, and the start should be in YOLO. Okay, so text warning. Okay, now here I have to take all this some icons code, save it and check how it's look like. This is my design. Okay, it's coming perfectly. So let's write the code for another 3 commands and I'll come back after that. So I already wrote another 3 comments code also. So let's save it and check how it's look like. Okay, it's perfect now. Now I have to design this post your reviews and this from controls. Okay, so for that let's come back here, take a div, and that class will be row. After that, here I need some margin button, so margin button of 5. Okay, so after that take a h2 tag and write something like post your own reviews. Post your own reviews. Okay, so after that let's come back to the Bootstrap4 official website and search here forms. Okay, I need this one, so just copy it and paste it here. But here you can see I doesn't need this password. I need this one, this text area. Okay, so here you can see input, so just change it to text area and type will be text and give that as text area. Placeholder will be write your own comment. Or write your own reviews. Okay, and close the text area / text area. Okay, close it. And here I forgot one thing, the rows. So sorry, rows. Rows should be equal to, let's take 3. Save it now. Or the mistake I done. Okay, I think I make some spelling mistake here. Save it. Yeah, it's perfect now. Check it now. Okay, it's perfect here. Now I need some custom CSS for these cards, because if you see my original project, this cards looks very cool. It's some 3D effect is also there and some box shadow is there, and it's applied some border radius also, because you can't see the sharp corner, it's some rounded corner. Okay, so for that let's come back to my original code, and if you can remember, I create one style.css. Now I have to link up it. So link style.css. Okay, now save it. Come back to the style.css. Here for the class card, text align should be centered and border should be none. Border radius border dash radius 5 pixel, and I need some box shadow. For box shadow you can come this that www.cssmatrix.com/box shadow. Here you can see there will be some box and shadow is there. Okay, so you can change the box color whatever you want. From here I want the white, so I keep it in white, and the shadow color also you can change it from here, and here you can toggle that. Okay, as you can toggle, the shadow will be come change in horizontally and vertically whatever you want. For me I think this is the perfect, and this is the blur radiation. Okay, so I think that is the okay, and this spread radius also. Okay, like that. So blur will be little smooth. Okay, I think this is the perfect. So just copy the code from here, copy it and just paste it, and after that uh, give some margin bottom also. Margin bottom I'm giving as 100 pixel. Okay, now let's save it. Come back to my code. Here you can see some 3D, nice 3D effect. Okay, so it's done. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment section, and anyhow I'm going to give the whole the codes, so from there you can practice. Thank you. If you would like this video, please do like this video and share with your friends and family, and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks. We'll see you in my next video. Thanks.